Corrosion represents a significant challenge for companies in the agricultural, construction, logistics, and industrial sectors, directly affecting operational efficiency and maintenance costs. Studies show that corrosion can cost up to 4% of the global GDP annually, amounting to over $2.5 trillion in economic losses due to maintenance, equipment replacement, and operational failures. In Brazil, corrosion results in approximately 200 billion reais in annual costs, directly impacting various sectors such as agriculture, industry, and construction, due to the constant need for maintenance and equipment replacement. Impact of corrosion on equipment in agribusiness, construction, and industry. High maintenance costs. Corrosion in equipment such as tractors, agricultural implements, irrigation systems, storage structures, and industrial machines leads to frequent repairs and replacements, increasing operational expenses. Reduced operational efficiency. Corroded equipment can experience mechanical failures, compromising productivity and efficiency. Shorter equipment. Lifespan. Constant exposure to harsh environments accelerates wear and corrosion, reducing the longevity of machines, metal structures, and industrial production lines. Investing in advanced protection technologies is a strategic decision to minimize the effects of corrosion, ensuring safer and more cost-effective operations. Rustless Technology is a company specializing in solutions for treating and preventing corrosion in metal structures. We have developed an innovative solution to combat corrosion and maximize the durability of essential equipment and structures in agribusiness, industry, and construction. Our exclusive technology uses configurable electronic modules to distribute electrons and repel oxidizing agents, stopping active corrosion processes and preventing the formation of new corrosion sites. Our technology protects silos, agricultural implements, heavy machinery, and any metal structure, significantly reducing maintenance costs and extending the lifespan of assets. This translates to greater efficiency and operational safety, allowing businesses to grow sustainably and without disruptions. Global presence and patented technology. Our technology is patented worldwide. We currently operate in 9 countries with our own offices and serve over 30 countries across 4 continents. Commitment to ESG best practices. Rustless Technology follows the best ESG practices, combining efficiency and sustainability. By reducing corrosion and extending the lifespan of equipment and metal structures, we minimize natural resource waste and decrease the constant need for replacements, reducing environmental impact. Additionally, we avoid excessive use of chemicals, making operations safer for workers and the environment. In a market that values sustainability, companies that prioritize ESG-aligned partners strengthen their reputation and competitiveness. Reduce costs, extend the lifespan of your equipment, and boost operational efficiency. Schedule an online meeting with one of our engineers or contact us now for a technical visit.